Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Hello, everybody, and welcome to welcome to part 2 of how to Gucci gang, how to be a hype beast. Now let me explain. This is gonna be both a part 2. It's going to be both a sequel and a spin-off. Let me explain. So, if you've been watching all my legit, 100% accurate, totally real and factual tutorial for a long time, then you would have known that I made a tutorial on how to play the piano, okay? So, yeah. Let me explain. This video is going to be a part 2 to how to Gucci gang and be a hype beast. It's also going to be kind of a spin-off because it's going to be technically part 3 to how to play the piano. Because, you know, in this video, I'll be using my, multifunction electronic keyboard piano, brother. Either way, now that that's out of the way, let's do this, brother. Lit fam! Oh! So first of all, you're going to need percussion because that's usually the thing that people or all rappers use. That nice bassy beat. But maybe you're too lazy to press all these small buttons like me. Excuse me. So you're gonna use keyboard percussion. Oh yeah. A really important thing to do if you want to be part of the Gucci gang, you need to know how to play Gucci gang, brother. Let's see, wait a minute. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Okay, but now onto the basic percussion part of this. Or something. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't even know what to do. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Let's use a nice bassy drum. Beautiful! Then you just need to add vocals, okay? Let's see. Wait, what did I use? I used that and then that. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's see. Well, first of all, I need to put on my legit, hype beast outfit, you know? Oh, dab. Oh yeah, here's my this is the custom made Supreme sweater. The logo's right here. Okay, so let's do this. So first, wait, I use that and then that. Okay. Wait a minute. let me start. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm rich. Oh, I'm famous. Look at me. I'm very rich. Oh. Self-titled mixtape out this year. All I do is wear very expensive clothes, you know? I'm so rich, I got free sunglasses from the dentist, brother. I'm so rich, wait, what? Let me continue. Sick trap beats, you know. Yeah, Grammy nominated. Oh.
Oh, yeah, yeah, oh,
Oh.
yeah, 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 oh, Nick Chopin!
And that, my friends, is how you make Hypebeast music, aka every single one of Rice Gum's songs, you know. Because that's what people do these days, you know. They want to be popular by showing off all their expensive stuff, you know. You don't need to be expensive in order to be popular. Wait. Wait, I just confused myself. Let's see. I'm trying to teach you a life lesson, people. Don't be Rice Gum. Don't be Jake Paul. Don't be Logan Paul. Especially after what happened, if you know what I mean, regarding the video in Japan. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, people. Don't try to be somebody else. Be yourself because you are special. Because that's what I learned in school. What else? Try to make this as inspirational as possible, you know? Maybe then I'll get some views. Maybe. You know what? Let's see. I don't know what to do actually. Oh, I know something. You know what? All the popular people, they wear expensive stuff because they don't get a lot of recognition, okay? And sometimes they don't feel very wait, what? I don't know. The thing is, kids, the moral of the lesson: be yourself. And don't spend $500 on a white sweater that has like one word written in the middle. Instead of wasting $500 on a sweater that says Supreme. Really? Don't buy expensive shoes. Buy yourself some Skechers Energy Lights. You know. That's what I wear, brother. You don't need, everything doesn't need to be expensive, you know? Some people out there, let's see. What should I say? Some people are, some people are homeless, and some people out there are so spoiled that they're complaining, and they're like, oh no, but I want the iPhone 5 billion, but you gave me the iPhone 499,000 something, whatever. As I said, moral of the lesson: do not waste money on a bunch of stuff. That's technically the point of this, you know. That's why I showed you how to make your own Supreme sweater using a very small white shirt from Walmart. Wait a minute. Thank you and good night. Subscribe for more funny and strange and... why am I making this video? I don't get the point of this. The thing is, more videos later!